Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're going to show you how to get New York in Infinite Craft. This is very easy. All you have to do is follow step by step. So firstly, we're going to add water, and then water to have lake. Then we add earth and fire. We will have lava. Then we add water to have stone. Add the stone to the lake. We have lighthouse. Then we add fire to have beacon. Add more lighthouse to have light. And then we add earth to have sun. Add more sun to have sunflower. Leave the sunflower. We add stone to have statue, and then we have lighthouse to have Statue of Liberty. We add more lighthouse to have New York. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.